Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. So how are you guys doing? And how's your day? Okay guys, so do you know what Vaseline and egg can actually do to your skin? Oh my goodness, I'm actually gonna be showing you this. Also applying it on my face so you can see how it changes my skin, like boof boof boof. Yeah, so do not forget to subscribe here, turn on that post notification and click all, and don't also forget to thumbs up the video. And let me take you right into the video. So we're first of all going to be needing egg, and in this egg we are going to be needing the white. Now egg white is a great skin tightener. It helps to maintain the skin and it helps to reduce the size of the pores because it helps to tighten up the skin and make the skin look really smooth. Okay, so when your skin is tight, it will definitely look smoother. Okay, so I'm gonna be breaking the egg carefully and removing just the whites. Okay. So this is the egg whites, and we're gonna whisk it just a little. Now the next ingredient is honey. Now honey is a skin smoother, is a skin moisturizing agent that moisturizes the skin, allowing products to get into the skin and therefore making the skin look really smooth, really ageless, and really poreless. Okay, so it's not going to it's not going to allow those large pores on your skin. Okay, so we're gonna be putting our honey, and make sure that your honey is organic, okay, so that when you use it, it's going to work. Okay, because if your honey is not organic, when you use it, it's not going to be that effective like if it was organic. Okay, natural farm harvested honey. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important for this, is also sugar. Now sugar contains a smaller granite particles. Now these particles help to scrub out dense dead skin cells, making your skin look ageless, making your skin look smooth and poreless. Okay, and it also helps to rejuvenate and make your skin look like a baby skin. I'm loving it. So if you have a brown or a white sugar, anyone you would have to make use of it. Okay, so I'm actually putting in 2 tablespoons of sugar into my treatment, and this is how it looks. It looks so amazing. So we're equally going to be making use of a little bit of Vaseline. Okay, now Vaseline helps so much to make your skin look ageless. Okay, so if you don't have Vaseline, or your skin does not really accept Vaseline, because I know most people, their skin do not actually accept Vaseline like that, you can use bowl oil or coconut oil, okay, for this, and it's equally going to serve. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting my Vaseline in here, and I'm going to be keeping this ingredient close to heat so that my Vaseline could dissolve and get into the treatment also. Okay, now with the sugar mix also, I can actually just press the Vaseline and it will dissolve in. Alright, so my very last ingredient for this is rice powder. Now Rice powder has been used anciently for beauty products, beauty, creams and soap and all of that. Rice powder contains a whitening agent and a UV rays protection that protects your skin against the sun, and it therefore helps to make your skin look really brighten, okay, because it contains vitamins that help to lighten up your skin. So it's not going to bleach up your skin, or okay, it's just going to remove the dead skin cells. Now when the dead skin cells on your skin are lifted up, your skin will begin to get lighter. So it's not like you're bleaching, but your real complexion is actually coming out. So that's what rice powder is gonna do for your skin. So after mixing all of this, I'm going to be stirring it and mixing it up together. Okay, so after mixing it up together really good, just like this, our product is ready. And now I'll have to keep it a little longer so that the Vaseline can be dissolved, and then I would have to use it onto my beautiful skin. So you can actually use this, as often as you can basically, and you're going to begin to have that ageless skin. So this is our treatment, and this is our amazing and very effective treatment. And I actually refrigerated it for a little while so that it could be more effective. And this is what I did. I wet my face up, okay, so that when I apply this is actually going to get deep into my skin and remove all of those things. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna be doing this. Okay guys, so you would have to apply this generously, guys. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be using my hands, although I have my brush. Let me try which one is going to be more effective for me, okay, to use. Wow, this is actually really helping to smooth out my skin. Okay, so let me use my brush. I think this is actually going to be much better. I think using the brush is kind of better because it's actually get into my pores and uproot some of those white hairs and black hair. Okay, so after which I'll scrub it with this sponge. I'm gonna be waiting for a little while. Okay, I'm gonna be applying it. Okay, I'll wait for a little while. Again, Whoopsie. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for a little while and I'm gonna go wash it out. Trust me, this is going to help you glow, like literally. Like, I love the way it is on my skin right now, and see. So that's it. This feels really good. The honey thing on my skin feels so good, and I love the fact that I had to use brush to just, you know, wipe this off on my skin. Like, I love it. It literally makes my face so soft, and it is amazing. So go give this a try, and I'm sure you're going to be testifying. Yeah. All right, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and bye.